What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We are getting ready for like 5 weeks of Volkswagen zings. We got Bug Off, Buzz Fest, we got the Harvest, we got Novemberfest coming up. We got all kinds of stuff. So now that the bus is running, gotta take care of some minor things like, I don't know, blinkers and headlights. I gotta replace that headlight switch. I've got a new one. Got some relays I gotta put in. I just picked up from Gary today. So lots of wiring. We got an NOS made in Western Germany headlight switch. We got this 4-pin high beam switch, and we've got this good, hopefully used 67 12-volt 9-pin relay for the blinkers and everything. I'm trying to get that trailer hooked up and working, so I replaced the tail lights with just stock tail lights. I got rid of the LEDs. Same with the front turn signals. Just put the 1157 bulbs in there. So they work, they just don't flash. And I think my flasher relay is fried. I know the wires on top of this guy are cooked and just nuclear. We found that out when we were looking at the starter and the ignition. So let's jump down there and do some wiring repair. Everybody's favorite. Alright, we're going to start with the big one here, the old 9-pin relay, and I'm going to do my very best to swap that wire for wire. I got to do a little dashboard yoga, and yes, the battery is disconnected. I disconnected the battery already, just to make sure I don't electrocute myself. So you can see those are the same, and we're just gonna start popping wires carefully, moving them over. I guess we can do it this way. And we put this in when we did the, man, that is on there, when we did the 12 volts conversion. Back when Jerry first got this bus, Nathan did the 12 volt conversion on it. So would it be easier if we put that in? Maybe. Let's try that. This one has looks like a ground. Just gonna slip that behind there. Let that be the ground. Okay, 9-pin done. This one is the one that got fried. I don't know if you can see that wire fried. Ooh, it's a little bit different. Ooh, that might not be okay. See that? I got an extra. Maybe I don't need that jumper. I don't know. We're gonna swap these over. This one has just this little clip, and that slides into the hole on this little bracket. They both seem to have that, so cross our fingers. swap these over. Just like that other one. That one went to there. That one goes to there. I'm gonna cut off the one that got cooked, and then we're gonna see. Maybe we don't need that. I did make a jumper. Oh, here. Just in case. If we got to go from there to there. So maybe we need it, maybe we don't. I don't know what that... Oh, well, this is 6 volt. That's probably why it got fried. That's the S, and that's the 30. And that's the S. So we didn't use the S, we used the 30. 56 E and 56 3. 56 E 56. Yeah, that's right. Well, let's see. Maybe we don't need to use that jumper after all. Let's go. Well, let's replace the headlight switch too. We're going to jump up here and we're going to replace this headlight switch. So we'll switch the cameras around. So the headlight switch is the one closest to the ignition or the speedo, and underneath there's just a little flathead screw that holds it in. There we go. Oh man, there we go. Sometimes they're crusty because the safaris leak and it drips down the dash and it all sits underneath here, so they'll sit on that screw. If you haven't disconnected your battery, now is the time. This can be this will really get you because there's a hot wire on there. So we take the knob off. Should be able to sort of fish that out. Now I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Down a little bit. There you go. You know, so we've got our little, there's our screw, our little tab. So that's going to be like that, and we're just going to swap those one by one because I don't know which ones do what. What was that? That was the first one there. And that would be that one. Right there. Now I've got a couple wires back here that were really like soldered together and bubble gummed that I'm gonna have to fix. But let's get these good ones on, and then we can deal with those. It's in the way. There we go. Okay, so this big guy in here. Now these ones, I don't know if you can even see that. They were like soldered to the switch up there, and they're soldered to each other. I don't even know if they're supposed to be like, I don't know what that is. Well, what the hell, why not? Guess we're gonna try it like that. got our new screw. I guess they're okay, they're solid. See if it works, and then come back and rewire that. I know you guys are gonna say, that's a bad idea, man. You should totally fix that right now. But it's okay. Yeah, that feels weird. Okay, let's go hook up the battery and see if anything catches on fire. Alright gang, there you go. Look at that. We got blinkers, we got brake lights, and we got running lights. I am so excited. I even hooked them up to the trailer, which I'll show you in a second. I had to make a little jumper and I had to redo all the trailer wiring, but I did that, and now with those new the regular taillights that I just picked up from, God, who did I get those from? ISP? I think I got them from ISP warehouse. I did, actually, because it's the same place I got my little tack from. So we got all new brake lights with a regular bulb in there, and I think that fixed my problem. Now I got trailer lights. I fixed the wiring on the trailer. It's super great. I'm so excited. Now we can safely drive this thing to the camp out coming up this weekend at the Bug Off and the Bus Fest and the Harvest and November Fest and all the other ones we got coming up. Super great. So there you go. That'll do it for this week. And check out all the links down below. Visit all our friends. And get you some shirts and some back-to-school clothes and some coffee cups and some phone covers and some koozies and all that great stuff we got on the links down below. And subscribe. Hi, you thought I was going to forget. I didn't forget. Hit that subscribe button. Hit me in the comments. Thanks for watching.